fraction becomes 9 by 11 if 2 is added to both the numerator and denominator. If 3 is added to both numerator and denominator, I have written NND for numerator and denominator, it becomes 5 by 6. Find the fraction. Children, we have to find the fraction. So first of all, we should be knowing what a fraction means. Please be clear about the concept of fraction, that what does fraction means. Fraction means a part of whole. किसी चीज का हिस्सा, a part of whole. And children, please do remember, fraction cannot be negative. It cannot be zero. You cannot say I've got 0 part of the chocolate that you are having. 0 part means nothing, right? So you cannot say I am having 0 part of a chocolate or I am having minus 2 by 3 part of a chocolate. No, fraction is always positive. So just keep in mind, children, that after solving, if you are getting your answer in negative, that means you have made a mistake somewhere. If you are getting 0 also, that is also a sign that you have made a mistake. Fraction has to be positive, as fraction means a part of whole, a part of something. Okay, beta. As I have always suggested you, look at the final statement and define unknown accordingly. The final statement is asking us to find the fraction. So let us first of all define the fraction. I will not be saying like numerator with this or denominator with this. I am straight away writing, let the fraction be x upon y. X upon y, and y should not be 0. The denominator cannot be 0. So straight away I have defined the fraction as x upon y. Okay. Now, according to question, what are the conditions according to the question given? Let's see. If 2 is added means plus to both numerator and denominator, it becomes 9 upon 11. That means, beta, you have x upon y. Now, if you add 2 to the numerator and 2 to the denominator also, what do you get is?
9 by 11.
9 by 11.
And the second condition says, if 3 is added to both numerator and denominator, it becomes 5 by 6. So that means, if you add 3 to both, what does it become?
5 by
5 by 6.
6. Now we have got equations in n upon d form. What should we do? Let us cross multiply. When we cross multiply, it would mean 11 times x plus 2 is equal to 9 times 5 plus 2. Beta. Let us open the bracket. Now this would further mean 11 into x is 11x. 11 into 2 is 22. 9 into y is 9y. And 9 into 2 is 18. Okay. I would suggest you to bring x and y on one side and take number on the another side. So this becomes 11x minus 9y is equal 18 minus 22. When you take it that side, it will be minus. And what is 18 minus 22?
minus 4.
Minus 4. This is your first equation. This is your first equation. Likewise, from here, what do you get, beta? Again, if you cross multiply, 6 times x plus 3 is equal to 5 times y plus 3. Okay? And this would mean 6 multiply x is 6x. 6 into 3 is 18. This is 5y
Plus 50.
plus 50. Let us rearrange. Bring y on one side, so it will be 6x minus 5y. And 18 that side. 15 minus 18.
Minus 3.
Minus 3. So this is our equation number 2. Now we have got two equations. Thus, we get what? 11x minus 9y is equal to minus 4. 6x minus 5y is equal to minus 3. Now we can solve it. We can go for elimination method or any method of your choice. Now children, if we go for elimination method and let us say we are eliminating x. The first equation to be multiplied by
6.
and second equation,
11.
11.
what does this give us? If we multiply this by 6 and this by 11, let us see what do we get. I'm short of space, so I'm adjusting here only. Okay, so this gives me 66x, 9 6 are
54.
6 4s are 24 is equal minus 24. 11 into 6, 66x minus 55y equal minus 33 beta. Add or subtract?
Subtract.
So just write down subtract here. Change sign. This is cancel. Now minus 54 plus 55 becomes
1.
minus 55.
1.
Minus 24 plus 33.
9.
Sure that both x and y must come out to be positive. If not, check your calculations and equations because fraction cannot be negative as I said you earlier. Now y is equal to 9. You may put in 1 or 2 to get the value of x. Okay, so let me put it in. Let's say 1. From 1, 11x is equal to minus 4 plus 9y is equal minus 4 plus 9 into 9. Now 9 into 9,
81.
81 minus 4, 77.
X equal to 7.
So what is the fraction?
7 by 9.
Now please see one thing here. We have got fraction as 7 upon 9. You may cross-check your answer, children, here itself. You may cross-check your answer. See, 7 upon 9, the condition says if you add 2 to them, it should become 9 upon 11. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. Is the first condition satisfied?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Second says if you add 3 to both, it should become 5 upon 6. Now, if you add 7 to 3, what will it become?
10.
10. And 9 plus 3 becomes?
12.
And what is 10 upon 12?
5 by
1
6.
6.
5 by 6.
Is it satisfied?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
So that is how it has to be done. Okay.